Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Fabfitfun winter unboxing here. So we got the fun little box with snowflakes all over it. I am so excited to get into this. I remember picking my choices, but I really don't remember what all I picked. I just remember there was some really good stuff. So if you guys are new to Fabfitfun, this is a subscription box and it is a seasonal box. So they have summer, spring, winter, and fall. I do these pretty much every season, and I'm going to be sharing with you the winter box today for the upcoming winter months. This video is sponsored by Fabfitfun. All opinions will be my own, of course, but I'm going to show you everything that I picked out. Of course, your boxes can be different because you actually get to customize some of the products in these boxes, which makes it so much fun. It's a big reason why I love this service. You usually get to customize about 4 items if you guys are a seasonal member. So it's $49.99 each season, but you're getting like up to $300 in value with this box. It's always an amazing value for what you get inside. It's definitely one of my favorite subscription boxes, and I like that it's seasonal because then it's not like overkill every single month. This is a pretty well-rounded box, so it's not just going to be beauty products. You're not going to get a ton of skincare. You're actually going to get a little bit of everything. So sometimes we do get makeup, you get skincare, fashion items, home items, so it just kind of depends, and you can kind of customize it to what fits your needs and what you like. So that's a little bit about the box. You guys can also sign up for the year membership and you'll get even more bonuses, like getting to pick even more items in your box if you just want to pay for it all up front for the year. It also makes a great gift if you guys want to gift this service to friends and family for the holidays. But they also offered me a coupon code. Usually they give me $1 off amount, but I'm really excited because this time, if you guys sign up with my code LEAHJANAE for the seasonal subscription, you'll get a free mini box with a value of up to $100. So I feel like that sounds even better. I have no idea what's in the mini box, but it sounds really cool. I know they've done some free like sample boxes here and there, like welcome boxes that looked really good. So I feel like they're gonna have some pretty awesome products in there, ranging from some of the stuff that's usually in their boxes. So if you guys want to get that for free, don't forget to enter my code at checkout. But let's go ahead and get into this box. I do want to enter a quick disclaimer here if you guys are thinking about signing up. I know that they're having some shipping delays, as with every other company around here. It's just been crazy during these times with getting product in. So some of the customization options might not be available, but you're still going to get the same amount of stuff, the same value in your box for winter. Okay, so let me get into the box here. All right, you guys, the first thing I am pulling out of my box, I am really excited. These are some slippers from the brand Isaac Mizrahi, and I need some new slippers really bad. I usually like to buy a couple pairs in the winter time is when they come out with some really cute ones. And I really like these because they're like kind of like a slipper sock almost, so these will easily stay on the feet. They're not going to be falling off. They're almost like a Sherpa feel on the inside. They're this gorgeous leopard print, and then the bottom has a little bit of traction on them. I did get the size small in these, so they should work out really good, but I'm really excited for some new slippers. I'll see if I can find the retail prices of these things online. I don't usually get a card with my PR box, so I don't really know the value of everything until I go in and edit, so I will definitely let you know the estimated retail value of those. I see they did include some little stickers this year for the holidays. I think everyone should be getting these. Super adorable. Next up, I picked this product out, and this is from Briogeo. It is the Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfector Heat Protectant Cream. I'm a huge fan of the Briogeo hair care brand. They sell their stuff at Sephora and now Ulta, which is really exciting. I use their hair masks a lot, like the avocado one. I think the kiwi is so good. But I was looking at this Blow Dry Perfection. I don't blow dry my hair a lot, but I feel like I could still use this too, even on dry hair, like when I want to curl it or straighten it, because I'm really bad about using my heat protectant in products. So I'm hoping that will be okay. Otherwise, I do kind of get frizzy hair, honestly. So if I am blow drying my hair, I do use my Dyson, but it can get some frizz. I would probably just use this beforehand and see how well that works for taming it, because yeah, my hair, it's like thick, but it's fine, and it gets a little bit of frizz everywhere. Like all the time in my videos, I'll have like a random hair sticking out that I didn't even know about, and it's so annoying, or the little baby hairs I have on my head. But I'm excited to try this product out. Surprisingly, I have not used this one before from Briogeo. This next product I got, I'm also really excited for. This is by Barefoot Scientist, and with the winter months coming up, it's when my feet start getting pretty dry, and I thought this was awesome. So if I can't make it to get a pedicure, I'm definitely going to be using this, and it is a like dual-sided foot file. So here it is. It's just this blue one. I'm probably just going to keep this in my shower. It actually feels really textured, so I think this is going to work great. It has this more fine side and then the more bumpy side. So to keep our feet looking smooth all winter, we all need this. I mean, really. So yes, that is going straight into my shower to use. I like that they always have useful items. Next thing I got, this is by Aesthetica, and this is a liquid eyeliner in black. I don't think I'd pick this product because usually I don't go for liquid eyeliner, but I did want to go ahead and show you if you're wondering about this product. It is the kind that kind of dips in, and then you have your kind of felt tip there. It's pretty sturdy. It's not going to flop all over the place, so it should be good at creating a wing or just a thin line on the eyes. And I believe I've seen this brand before in some other subscription boxes. So this is the liquid liner by Aesthetica. Now this I was so excited to see on the options. I picked these out. These are the Glamnetic Magnetic Lashes. These are one of my favorite lash brands. I have to say, I did recently try some new ones from Velour, and those were also amazing from Sephora, but Glamnetic is the first ones I tried, and they're just like my tried and true favorite. They're very pricey, so if I can get them in a subscription box, that makes it so much better, because this actually comes with, it looks like their eyeliner pen as well, which is newer. This is the Virgo style. I'm really excited they included like a new launch, because I was looking at this eyeliner pen, like I really need to try it. I do have the magnetic liner that kind of dips in on the brush. It's like separate products, and it dries out really fast and the brush gets all wonky, so I think this is going to work so much better. But these stay on the lashes really well. I brought them with me for like photo shoots. I remember when I went to Florida, I had them, and like we were riding on the go-kart with the wind blowing and my lashes still stayed on, so they're pretty impressive. And what's nice about the magnetic ones is they just plop on and plop off so easily. You don't have any messiness of glue. Of course, the liner is kind of hard to budge off, so I definitely recommend an oil-based cleanser, doing a double cleanse to get that product off. These are probably the most exciting thing in the box for me. Next, another crazy expensive product. Again, this costs more than the box. This is the Sunday Riley A+ Retinoid Serum. Had to pick this one. I do like Sunday Riley's products. I used to use their Good Genes all the time, and I know retinol is something I'm trying to slowly get into. I'm always nervous about it because I feel like my skin is very sensitive to it. My skin likes to break out for a bit when I'm starting a new one, but I know it's so good for fine lines and wrinkles and just perfecting the skin, so I need to give this a try. Let me know if you guys have used this one, what your thoughts are. We're gonna be trying this out, and I'll see how it is. I'm gonna look up some reviews as well, just to make sure it's not gonna be too harsh, but yeah, it's really cool to get that in here because this is super expensive. I'm gonna have the retail price listed. Another really expensive brand is Grown Alchemist. I've seen their products from like Ipsy and stuff, but I got their body cream. This one has mandarin and rosemary leaf. You guys know me and body creams. I am obsessed, so excited to try a new one. Looks like they got some new packaging because I know their stuff used to have like black packaging. This is what it looks like. I do want to smell it. I'm wondering if this is going to be a citrus. It is. It smells like the spa though. It's like that zesty orange spa scent. It's really nice. I definitely am going to use this. It feels amazing even as just a hand cream for the winter months. This is very emollient. It's a thick moisturizer, so this is going to be nice and to pair with some of my more citrus sprays. But I really, really like this. It's very calming. It just gives me spa vibes for sure. And then last but not least, this might be my second favorite in the box. We got a Bite Beauty Power Moves lipstick, another brand new release. Like, not brand new, but I mean, it just came out this year. They came out with these new lipsticks. I got the shade Sugar Buns, which is so cute. So Bite Beauty recently kind of reformulated and rebranded all their stuff. So this is their new updated lipstick formula. I believe they're all vegan now too. And this is a gorgeous mauve pink. You guys know me and my neutrals. I love. This is so pretty. it kind of matches what I have on today, but a little bit more pink to add a bit more color. But that's Sugar Buns. It's so adorable. It has great pigmentation. So that's going to be the last product I got in my Fabfitfun. So that's going to conclude this video. I feel like that was pretty quick, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I got and some examples of what you guys can get, because this has some great products in it. I know sometimes I get really bored of BoxyCharm and Ipsy just sending like 50 different skincare things, and I like that this has a balance. And sometimes, I think last fall, for that box I got a couple other home items and stuff like that, so I'll link that video down below if you guys want to get more of an idea of what comes in. But I think the fall and the winter boxes are always my favorite. That is going to be it for this unboxing. I will have the link to Fabfitfun down below if you guys want to sign up, as well as my code to get that free mini box for new subscribers. But I will let you guys go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.